Welcome to our channel. If you need to add a checked bag to your American Airlines reservation, follow these step-by-step instructions to ensure your baggage is properly added before your flight. Step 1. Open your web browser and navigate to the American Airlines website at aa.com. Click Sign in the top right corner and log in with your AA Vantage account credentials. Step 2. After signing in, click on Trips in the main navigation menu to view your upcoming flights and reservations. Step 3. Locate the flight reservation to which you want to add a checked bag and click on it to view the full booking details. Step 4. Look for the Add Bags or Manage Bags option in your trip details. Click on this link to proceed with adding baggage to your reservation. Step 5. Select the number of checked bags you wish to add for each passenger on the reservation. American Airlines will display the cost for each bag based on your fare type and destination. Step 6. Review the baggage fees and total cost, then click Continue to proceed to the payment section. Step 7. Enter your payment information, including credit card number, expiration date, and CVV code, to complete the purchase of your checked baggage allowance. Step 8. After payment is processed, you'll receive a confirmation email with your updated reservation details, including the checked bag information. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.